guys going to play some Plants vs Zombies for the very first time. Wow, right, and this is, and just it, and hey, let's see on me guys. Hey, who's are you okay, Mr. Planty? You okay? Oh my God, there's a zombie. Is there any zombies here? No. Okay, you take care of the plants. I'll get a zombie. I'll get the zombies. Okay, I'll get the zombies. There's a zombie right there. Where is he? Yes, kill him. Where is he? Where's the zombie? Where's the zombie? There he is. There he is. Yes! Yes! Get in there. Yes, we killed the boss. Boss wave is complete. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Who's got the highest boss waves? I mean, who's got the highest kills? I'm all like that. Oh no, there's more zombies. Okay, let's get these. Oh my God. Ah. Die. What? What happened? Did the connection loss? Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. The connection. It's always getting low. Okay, let's create a match. Not any permission. Public. Yeah. I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. Da la di da. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Crash Course Night. Great. Do you know what I'm like here all by myself as well? This is gonna be so hard. Gonna be so hard. Take out all the bosses all by myself and that. I'm scared. Well, I'm not scared. Well, I'm a little bit scared for some reason. I'm like scared on games and that, like, and stuff. Pea shooter, definitely. Oh look, there's our caravan. So there's our caravan. There's our go-kart. There, and there's something. Who is flying that thing? This thing. Hey! Plant a garden. Okay, garden. Yes. Garden. Give a garden. Go to the garden! Oh! Hello! Grow a friend. Cool. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Already. Zombies are coming. Oh, okay, there's a zombie over there. Is there any zombies anywhere else? No. So the zombies out here. Oh, hi. Bye. No, bye. Die. 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 The zombies over there. No zombies there, okay. Get ready. Hey! Ah. Hey, get off our corn. Yay, we're complete. It's just me and this little guy. I'm gonna call you Squishy. Hello, Squishy. Squishy. Come on, Squishy. 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 Be careful, okay, Squishy? I don't want you to die, okay? Me and Squishy taking care of our cornfields. Da 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 da. I've only killed 4 zombies. Whoa! Whoa! Die. Any zombies here? No. Ow! Die. Whoa! Die. Yes. You're dead. Oh no. No. Yeah, you're dead, okay. Oh my god. I've only got 78 and things of. Hey, die! Oh, die. Yes. Oh, hi, Louis. I want another one. Okay, the wave is starting. Not the vase trying to break those open fast. What? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Ooh, money. No, die. Yes. Die, fatty, die. You're fat. Fatty. Da. Fatty. Go. Go. One, two. Whoa. Oh my god. Get out. Oh no. I'm running. Yes. That's one. Oh no, I'm dying. Oh no. Louis, ready to go quick? Ah! No, squishy. I don't want to do this anymore. Squishy. Where's Squishy? Oh, Squishy's still alive. Oh my god. Oh no, wave 4. After this, there's a boss wave, isn't there? I've only got 63 health. This is so bad. See? Die. No. Die. There's a zombie in there. Oh my god, what's that? What kind of zombie is that? Oh! What kind of zombie is that? Oh my god! Oh, loads of zombies there. Yes. Oh! Whoa! Die. And this. Okay, you go there. Yeah, this. I need another plant. Where's the plant? Need another plant. I need a plant today. Oh yeah. Oh no, there's on. No. No. Boss levels. No, not him. No. Okay. So we're only taking care of one boss. That's it. Yep. What's that? Okay, that's it. We're going. Yes. One. What? What are you getting me for? Get a cornfield. Get away! Ugh. Come on. Where's zombie? Tombstone has arrived. Oh! 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 No man, I'm dying. Ah! Oh no. I'm dying. I'm going to die today. Today. Garden health. Wait, there's garden health as well? I didn't know that. Okay. Come on. Yes. Do. Yeah. Wait, where's Squishy? Squishy? Oh! No, it's a boss. It's a boss. Oh my god. Oh my god, the garden health. Squishy died. Hey, hey. No. Where's he gone? I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, there he is. Ow! No! Come on! Ow! Ow! Oh no. Where is he? Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, we killed the zombie. Yay. Oh my god. We killed the zombie. Yes. Wait, did we? Oh no, we didn't. Yes, he's dead. Look. Ha ha. You're dead again, sucker. Ha ha. Is that it then? Oh my god, there's next wave. Oh my god. No, this is the end of Plants vs Zombies. So guys, I'll see you next time on Plants vs Zombies. So see ya.